back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about a facial at home. I know we are back to lockdown. A lot of the places are locked down and a lot of parlors and malls and everything is closed. I know, and even it's not just now but over the years, like the entire last year and this year, it was everything that I did right at home. So I did few facials and I did share with you guys, but today I actually I'm doing a facial at home from one of my favorite brand, which is Vaadi, that is VAADI. Now this is a brand that I have been following from college life, to be honest, and in the college life I've used a lot of I've used the moisturizer, which is especially the Chandan moisturizer. I've used the lip balms and here and there a lot of products. But today, as the days and the years progressed, there are a lot of products that Vaadi have actually launched, and I thought, why not to try even their facial. Now the best thing about the Vaadi is they are completely herbal. They do not use a lot of chemicals and preservatives and all of that, so that may harm your skin. So those and everything is completely free from paraben, sulfate, and a lot of SLS and all the other stuffs. Now without further, let us quickly get into the video, because today we will be doing the facial at home from the brand Vaadi, which is absolutely one of my favorite. Nowadays a lot of these brands came, like Mama Earth and Dermaco and all of the brands. But to be honest, when I was in a college life, there was a time when Vaadi was something which is my absolute favorite. And let's just dive into the video. And before we dive into the video, it's a general request that if you really like the video, please hit the like button and then follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box, so that every time I upload the video or any kind of notification, you guys will be well updated about it. So without further ado, let's just quickly get into the video. Now without makeup, my skin actually looks like this. I have a lot of breakouts, like this is one of the breakout, and there are a lot of pimple marks. So having I have kept those things into consideration about the marks and everything. So I have actually selected, there are a lot of other ranges of Vaadi facial kit, but actually I have selected this lemongrass anti pigmentation facial kit. So this is exactly the kit that I have actually selected for today's video. Just gonna adjust. So this is how it is, and let me show you how actually the packaging came like. Okay, the packaging actually came like this. It says lemongrass anti-pigmentation facial kit, and the brand that I am saying is Vaadi. This is Vaadi Herbals, and as I mentioned, they have the extract of cedarwood. When I open the kit, somewhere they have packed it really nice, and at the back of the kit, it is pretty a simple sweet packaging. It has everything mentioned over here. When you look at the price is mentioned 315, but I actually got it from Amazon. I will include this in the Amazon haul, and I got this for like 299, which was super affordable of the product that they have actually provided. Let's just open inside. The inside is also so amazing. You get a fair quantity of products. Now the quantity of products are really nice, guys. I would not say everything has been mentioned, like this is a face pack, and then you have this massage cream, and then you have this cleansing cream, and then you have this face scrub. So let's just begin this makeup and let's see what's the difference you can see. Let's begin. So for that, I will take a face towel and a little bit of water. So as I already just shown you, that these and all are how the packaging is and how it actually looks like. The packaging is absolutely good, and I know the Vaadi products. So let's just quickly start. So first, as we all know, we will start with the cleansing milk. So this is the cleansing milk, and you get a very good quantity, by the way. This is what the quantity is. I will really wet my face. Now you can capture how my face looks before makeup, before this facial, and we will see how it looks after the facial. So I have wet my face. I will take a little bit of quantity, and let's start. It has a lemongrass smell because it says lemongrass. You have to actually do it. You get a very decent quantity, by the way, guys. Like the normal cleansing, you have to do a proper. I will don't even lift the lips, and let's do this. Massaged it real good, by the way, and with the help of face towel, I'm just gonna clean everything. And you know what, with the first step I can see the difference. And there is no absolute filter, guys. Let me tell you, there is absolute no filter. So done with step number 1, and I am really happy. The quantity is really good, and I just took 2 scoops, small scoops of it. Next we will move to the step number 2, which is the face scrub. Take your own me time, by the way, guys, doing this process, because the aroma and everything is just so wow. I'm just gonna adjust this. I don't know why. Okay. I'm so sorry for this adjustment. Then I will, the scrub also looks the same color, but let me take it evenly. You don't need actually too much quantity, by the way, guys. They have actually given a good quantity. Many people say there is a darkening over this area. To be honest, use such face scrub and face pack which has anti pigmentation property like lemongrass. Also, while scrubbing, do not leave this area, always in the upward direction. Forehead, lot of people, I get mails that they have blackening over here and here. That is just because of the tan, guys. So it is a summer. Even if you are at home, please use sunscreen at home. Even you are home, because I don't think tanning is something which is only related to sun, but it is also related to your skin as well. Massage it for good 2 to 3 minutes till you feel. Do not do scrub over this eye area, because that is not the area where you do scrubbing part. I'm just gonna take my 2 to 3 minutes and wash off, and then I'll come back. I have actually washed off the face, and I can see an immense difference, guys. I can feel the freshness, and always take this kind of face towel to remove your makeup, or probably whenever you are doing I'm so relaxed. So we will move to the step number 3, which is definitely a massage cream. Now we have done, the first thing is cleansing. Second thing we have done is scrubbing. Massage cream is something which is very important for the circulation of the blood in your face. Now this is also the same color texture, because obviously it's a lemongrass. Now the ingredients and everything, and how to use it, that is also mentioned here. And at the same time, each container have the number, which is 1, 2, 3, based on the step number. So I'm just gonna take a moderate quantity and do the massage. Oh my god, the product is just wow, guys. Unless and until you don't order this, I don't think I will be able to explain you over the cameras that how beautiful and formulated each and every product of Wadi is. I will definitely leave you the link in the description box, guys. You need such a less quantity and it does such a great job. When any formulation is good, you can feel it actually when you apply it on your face, to be very honest. I don't know whether that happens with everybody or with just me, but whenever I apply anything on my face, I actually feel that it is good or bad, or it's an average thing or not. Now it's a massage gel, so all the strokes and everything, please massage it in a proper way. For the eyes, you need to massage it properly. For the forehead, make a little bit pressure and then massage. I'm just gonna massage it in all the directions. I'll wash off my face and I'll come back and see you guys. So I'm done with my step number 3, which is proper skin massage. Now I have to say that just with 3 steps I can see lot of change, to be very honest. Yes, I do have this outbreak, but apart from this outbreak, I can see that the skin is actually breathing, to be honest. And that's why I tell you to always go for the products which are very much herbal and at the same time has lot very minimalistic of chemicals and everything. When I actually look into the ingredients to it, it has lemongrass essential oil, coconut oil, cedar oil, turmeric extract, then steam oil. It has most of oil, and with the base they have turmeric extract. That's why you get everything in yellow color, because turmeric is so much a blessing to your skin that I can't even explain you. So it's very important that if you do any of the face masks at home or DIY at home, include turmeric, include aloe vera gel in your skin. And to be honest, do not use lot of products on your skin, because your skin needs to breathe, and not always you torture your skin with a lot of products. Now next I will move to the last step, which is face mask. This is, again I'm saying, lemongrass anti-pigmentation facial kit. Now when I look at the pack is also the same in color. For that you can take any toner or you can take a rose water and then apply this. I will take a normal water, just wet my skin and apply a amazing layer to it. Now you can do it with the help of brush as well, but I am just doing it with my fingers. It requires very less quantity, guys. To be honest, this tub will actually leave to 4 and 5, to be honest, facial, and it is just for $249, which is just unbelievable price with such an amazing product. Now this lockdown and pandemic have taught me a lot of things, including even your skincare essential at home. So maybe I just go for my eyebrows to parlor, or else I do not go to parlor, to be very honest. It's been like 2 years, and to be honest, my skin is not doing that bad, and it is actually doing, to be honest, good. So this is the face pack. I will let it sit for a very good amount, like 15 to 20 minutes. Apply very thin layer, and to be honest, when you apply this face pack, your skin will tend to have a little of burning sensation. That is all because it has turmeric to it, and turmeric has a lot of antibacterial actions. So definitely, after application my hands are a little yellow because they have already mentioned it has turmeric extract. So your skin will tend to little bit have a burning sensation, but that is pretty much fine, to be honest, because Wadi Herbals is a brand where I completely trust, do not have a lot of chemicals and all of that. So I will let it dry and I will see you with the final look before and after Absolute without makeup. Let your face pack dry like it got crack. This is the right amount of time when you need to wash, where actually there is no residue after you touch, so you need to wash off. So I will wash off my face and I'll come up with the final result of how actually the skin turned out to be before facial and after facial, which is just at home within like 15 to 20 minutes. With the last step, and to be very honest, I'm feeling fresh and my skin feels like it's actually breathing. There is a lot of difference when you actually do facial and when you are done with your facial. So there is a lot of difference. To be honest, I really love I have used a lot of facial kit like Lotus, and then I have used VLCC. I've also used Detan Professional makeup, facial kits and everything. But to be honest, Wadi is something which is my favorite brand from my college time. And to be honest, when I'm grown up, when I'm like married by now, I actually feel the brand stands very amazing compared to the other brands. To be honest, let's come back to this facial. After we applied pack, after we clean, do not leave your skin just like that. Finish your entire facial with a proper toner and then a simple moisturizer. So I am here using Good Vibes Rose Hip toner. I always use toner 2 times after facial, and if I do, and then after bath, after taking shower, and also before going to sleep in my night care regime. I always use toner. I let it dry and then I'll complete the entire step by using Rose Hips Good Vibes Rose Hip Facial Gel. Now I will make a separate review of this because I'm like almost done with this. Can you see there is just little remaining, and I just ordered from Amazon the next, which arrived today. So I think I am in a position that I can give a complete review of this facial gel. I will make a separate video of the best moisturizers during the summer for both men and women. So it will not be related only to the women. It will definitely be taking men in consideration, because a lot of my friends actually say that we do not have anything in your channel, and I thought there will be a lot of videos coming up which will be for both men and women. So if you really like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon which is just next to the subscribe tab, so that every time I upload the video you all will be well notified about it. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because lot of updates are also there and you can get to know when I uploaded the video or what was the last video about. So that's it. Stay safe, maintain social distancing, and cases are rising, so please take a very good care of yourself, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.